Here I am with my mother. We are going down in a boat.
Now we are at Maya, also called City of Roses. We walked past a large garden with plenty flowers when we were down and eat. With meals we ate breakfast and dinner, and behind us lived. Next day we had to sail to Hobro in Mariager Fjord. So we laid anchor in Hobro. And when we come home from Hobro, we went to the Source Center. Now we are in Rebild Bakker. Now we are up on a high mountain in Rebild. It took a long time to get up, but we came up. After 2 days we drove to the Fregatten in Jylland. Now we are up on the Fregatten. Now we are down by guns, and all guns weigh together 118 tons. An anchor weighs 8 tons and frigate has 6 anchors, so that they need 2 plastic models. Fregatten is 71 meters and is 13 meters wide.